Hey. It's another day in the life of SparkDriver, y'all. Let's go to work. I'm actually a full-time SparkDriver, but today I'm going to work part-time. Like, I have only like 4 hours to work, and let's see how much we can get in 4 hours, y'all. Right now it's 3:30 right now. So I'm on my way going at Walmart right now, and yeah, I'm so excited for today, y'all. Just can't wait to make money. How about that? Can't wait to make money. I hope it's a little bit busy, and ready to make money. Yo, this thing is bothering me. It's bothering me. So, I just received this order, y'all. This offer over here, $31.14 and 3 drop off. I don't know if I should. Nah. What do you guys think about this order? I mean, it's paying $2 per mile, but personally, any offer over 10 mile, 11 mile, to me, I feel like it's too far, like way too far. But it's paying good. $31 for 14 mile. No, I'm not taking it. Let me wait. What do you guys think? Would you take that order? Comment down below, y'all. Comment down. Let me know. Would you? Because I'm not going to take it. Let's wait for another one. But let me know if that offer is a good offer. Like, would you take it? Yes. Don't let me regret, y'all. Don't be in a comment, yes, that was a good order, because I'm going to regret. But anyway, it's far. 14 mile, it's far, y'all. It's far. Anyway, let me wait. So after that offer, y'all, I've been rejecting a lot of offers. Maybe like 3-4 offers, and finally I just received a good order. So I hope they're gonna bring it up. $25, only 1 drop off, y'all. Only 1 drop off, and it's going 5 mile. So 5 mile. I can't wait. I hope they're gonna bring it. Because me and this Walmart have a history. They tend to be canceling my orders. So the trip was canceled. Let me screenshot it for you guys. Oh. Yo, what a disrespect. Oh my, can't believe. Yo, see? I can't even say much anymore because I know this Walmart. I know it. I don't know what it is, but they tend to cancel a lot of curbside orders, especially when they're good order. Don't be too happy when they give you a good order, because you never know what's coming. They just cancel it, y'all. I received another order. It's a bad offer. $7 for 4 mile, 1 drop off. Well. Let's keep waiting. I don't know, y'all. Let's just keep waiting. It seems like they don't have like orders. It's not busy. I received another order. 26 mile, $30, 3 drop off. Yo, it looks like I'm gonna go home without even doing 1 order, y'all. It's super slow. Yep, it's that slow. It's been 1 hour, y'all. It's been 1 hour. I'm just keeping declining bad orders. I'm only receiving bad orders. Yo, Let me give it another 1 hour. If nothing happens, then I'm gonna call it a day. There's no orders, y'all. So you guys, after 1 hour and something, I just received an order. $24. It's going. It's a curbside order. 3 mayo. It's going. No. Oh, hold on. Let me start over. $24. It's going 6 miles, and it's 3 drop off. Yeah, 3 drop off. Yo, after waiting for a couple of minutes, yo, they just canceled this one again. I'm done. I am done for today. I'm done. I'm about to go offline because it's slow anyway, you know. I'm just here wasting time because it's slow, and every time I get an order, they cancel it. So let me call it a night, y'all. I'm done. So came to work and went home with nothing. $0. Zero money. So how about that? I think this is my first time, y'all. My first time ever that I came to work and went home with nothing. I usually get like 1 order, 1 or 2 orders, but 0 money? Okay, so I'm about to just go in Walmart, buy my stuff, because I need to get something from Walmart, and go home, y'all. Right now, it's, let me see what time is it. So I've been here for almost 2 hours. So, and I'm not gonna waste no more time. What time is it? What time is it? I'm waiting for the car to show up. It's 5, y'all. 5 o'clock. And I came 3. So this is like 2 hours. Hold on, let me see this order. And the funny thing is, this order that they're canceling, they keep sending back to me. And I know for sure I can't take them back because maybe something wrong with them. Who knows? You know? So you guys, I just talked to my friend. She said they have been canceling her orders as well. So I guess something wrong with our Walmart here or something. I don't know. Because she said they have been canceling her orders too, and she have been getting nothing. Any order that she gives, they cancel it. Any curbside that she gives, they cancel it. So I guess it's a Walmart problem right now. So yo, so I think it's time for me to go home. I had 4 hours to work. No, not actually 4 hours. 3 hours and 30 minutes to work, but didn't get anything. So, and I spent here 2 hours and something. And so this 1 hour, I don't think I'm gonna get orders, so I'm just about to go home. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Like the video, and see you tomorrow.